When it comes to attaching a bias facing, depending on how your pattern has you doing it, it may be that your bias tape is just a single piece. Your pattern may have you press the folds into your bias tape, so it's more like store-bought single fold bias tape, like that. Or you may just do it completely flat like this. Whatever the method, it's still basically all the same when it comes to attaching it. Typically, one would pin their bias tape to whatever it is that they're sewing it to. But for myself, when it comes to curves, I have a much better handle on it by just doing it without pins and feeling the fabric as I go. So as I'm sewing and it's more of a straight line, I'm not stretching my bias tape at all. It's just flat. But as I start to curve, I'm going to pull this side, as you can see, so that this end and so I'm pulling the left side so that the right side begins to curve up with the edge of the fabric underneath.